Does anybody remember how they got here?
Have you ever wondered if maybe Earth isn't really our home? What if humanity didn't evolve here at all? Some people believe Earth isn't a paradise, but a prison planet, a place where humans were exiled by an advanced civilization.
First, there was darkness. Then came the strangers. They abducted us and brought us here.
It's a strange theory, but the more we look, the more unsettling it becomes. Let's dive in.
We have such sights to show you.
The prison planet theory suggests that humans didn't evolve naturally here, but were deliberately brought to Earth thousands of years ago as a punishment. Why? Because our species was too violent, unstable, and dangerous to remain part of a peaceful galactic civilization. So we were exiled here. Our memories were erased, our technology stripped away. We were scattered across the planet in small groups, left to fend for ourselves, and perhaps learn to coexist with each other and with nature.
They think they can find the human soul if they understand how our memories work.
At first glance, this sounds like science fiction, but some point to odd facts about humans that don't quite fit with Earth. Humans are uniquely prone to sunburn. Unlike most mammals, we suffer from high rates of chronic disease and infant mortality compared to other animals. Many humans report feeling a deep sense of alienation, a feeling that they don't belong here. We seem maladapted to this planet in ways no other species is. Ecologist Dr. Ellis Silver even wrote a book titled Humans Are Not From Earth, where he explores those anomalies and argues we are not truly native. Then there is the darker side of our nature. We lie, we cheat, we steal, we kill, we pollute. No other species on Earth destroys its own environment and wages war on itself at the scale humans do. If Earth were intended as a rehabilitation center, it doesn't seem to have worked very well. We dominate and destroy other species rather than coexist. We invented weapons before we invented peace. We've driven other species to extinction. According to this theory, the plan was simple. Exile humans here, remove their memories and tools, and let them live primitively, slowly learning to control their instincts and violent tendencies. But something went wrong. Instead of becoming peaceful, humans began building civilizations again. Architecture, technology, art, war. We didn't regress to primal state. Instead, we built everything we had lost, perhaps even faster than before. Some believe this wasn't supposed to happen, and that's why Earth remains closely monitored by them. Critics of the theory point out the overwhelming genetic evidence that humans evolved here. We share over 99% of our DNA with chimpanzee. We fit into the ecosystem in countless ways. But others argue that doesn't rule out the possibility of genetic manipulation. Maybe humans were modified before being sent here. And what about the idea of a universal ancestor? Could it be that we are related to life on Earth because our jailers seeded the entire planet billions of years ago, preparing it for us? You can see echoes of this theory in human stories and religions. The Bible says we were banished from heaven to live a life of sin and toil on earth. History shows how the British Empire sent prisoners to penal colonies in Australia. Could it be that humanity instinctively remembers being exiled and encoded it into our myths? So what does all this mean? Are we really aliens? Was Earth meant as a rehabilitation or just isolation? And if so, who decided? And are they still watching? We may never know, but one thing is clear. If humanity was given a chance to redeem itself here, we haven't done a very good job. So tell me, do you believe Earth might be a prison planet? Or are we simply an imperfect species trying to survive on our homeland? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future deep dives into humanity's strangest questions. Thanks for watching.